So doing a video today on how to use the Medela Symphony, which is the hospital grade pump right here. Usually when people talk about hospital grade, they're either referring to the Symphony or the Spectra. I never use the Spectra, so I'm only going to talk about the Symphony today. So there are a lot of different parts that go to using this pump, but these are kind of the main things that you need here. So there are these caps, there's two of them, and these connectors to the tubing. I do recommend getting more than one tube just in case for whatever pump you end up using. And what you do is you use these caps and you put them on here. So that's ready to go. Then you'll have your two bottles. Make sure you have two caps for your bottles for after you're done. And then there are these two connectors, and you can either use these duckbills or you can use these membranes. I really didn't like using these membranes because they have this like little white flap that's really flimsy, and there's two parts versus just one, but you can either use this or that. So what you would do is you would add these membranes or duckbills to this, I don't know what it's called here, this part of the connector. So you do that for both sides. You connect it to your bottle, and then depending on your nipple size, I guess, you would either use, this is called the flange. You use the flange to funnel in the milk to the bottle, and you'll see here that there's, I use the 27 millimeter, there's 30, I think most of the packages come with 24. There's some diagrams online that you can look at, but I bought two different sizes. It's kind of hard to know which one you would fit. But once you have that set up, then you would get your hopefully strapless bra, you put it on, and then you would just connect it through here, and then connect the tube to the hole here, and then turn it on. And once you're done, one key tip that my sister gave me was, so, okay, let's just pretend that this was on. So you time it yourself because there's no timer on there. Once you're done, just take it off and raise this to the highest level, and it'll help get the condensation out of the tube, because sometimes you'll notice that condensation's here. So I basically just let it run so that the condensation's out, and then I go wash my parts, and then when I come back it's usually dried out. So that's it.